1. Gather the things you'll need. 2. Pop the popcorn and set aside. 3. In a large saucepan, bring the syrup and sugar to a boil. Remove from heat. 4. Add the gelatin to the syrup, sugar mixture. Stir until the gelatin is dissolved. 5. Add birdseed and stir until the seeds are well blended. 6. Combine the syrup, birdseed mixture with the popcorn. With a large spoon or spatula, turn the popcorn mixture out onto waxed paper and allow the recipe to cool enough to handle in your hands. 7. Apply vegetable oil to your hands. Non-stick spray works, too. 8. Form balls with your hands, about the size of a tennis ball. 9. Tie or wire the popcorn balls to a tree branch and watch the birds enjoy this flavorful treat.